By the name Camidoh, drum roll. Broski, how you doing, brother man?
Hello, man. I'm blessed, man.
Yeah, I love the energy. I love the video too. Are you cool?
Yes, sir.
Are you cool?
Yeah.
Camidoh, when it comes to your video, is very peculiar. It's different. You will say this is Camidoh's video, from My Lover to Yawa to Nothing Lasts Forever. How do you approach your videos? Do you always link up with the director, or you share your perspective to the director?
Yeah. I always just I always just do it my way.
Okay.
Yeah, I always like to do it my way. You know, so I'm linking up with my boy, Grafo Nice, and then we're just I'm just sharing these ideas, and he's also just coming up with like a few pictures here and there, just so it suits like what I want to achieve, and then we just go boom, boom, and shoot it.
Okay, Boomba.
Yes.
The Boomba, what does it stand for?
Boomba is just it's just a motto. Would it be a motto? I don't know if that's a motto. Like, it's just something I normally say. It's like
getting ready for the song or something. Okay.
Sarkodie will say, I would say Boomba.
Boomba. Okay. All right.
Yeah, it's basically just like my thing.
Okay, nice one. I love your drip. And I can see your set, Trust in God.
Yeah.
And I know that's the name of your
new
EP.
The new EP,
okay. And we're going to delve more into it. What's the inspiration behind your EP? What inspired you to do it?
The EP is literally been inspired by like my life from 2024 into 2025.
Okay.
It's literally been inspired by all of the things that I've had to like deal with in life, from 2024 into 2025.
Right.
And so it's basically just like my life, recorded for you guys to like,
all right,
listen, watch, and be inspired.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think one thing, as you said, like you were going through a tough time in your career. And it's something like men, we are not really open up. We don't like to show how vulnerable we are.
Yeah.
And as someone big as you, I think it's a good way, or we are on the right path for men to open up, to show how vulnerable they can be on music.
Yeah.
What made you decide to open up and
I've always been that guy,
say the message through this project?
I've always been that guy. Like I really am not the type of person that likes to like hide my feelings,
Okay.
So I always just like share my feelings. I always just share how I feel about something. So it's just me. There's no point in like trying to do it like another man. I'd rather just like do it like me. So it's like, but I feel like doing it like that is also a good thing,
Right.
Bottling certain things in would be good, because like not everything can be entirely good, and not everything can be entirely bad. So it's like a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So the same things that you never hear about me, and the same things that you always hear about me,
Okay, so the title of the project, Trust in God.
Yeah.
You could have named it you could have come out with different names, maybe the story of Camidoh or blah 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 with Camidoh.
Yeah.
What made you decide to stick to Trust in God?
Because that is like the actual inspiration.
Okay.
That is what I got from everything I dealt with. It's like, as a people, you don't really have to always like be fixated on doing it yourself.
For real.
At some point you really need to just like surrender, to like Jah Almighty, like God Almighty, and let him just do his thing with you. So that's really like the inspiration of like the project you get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You have 6 songs on this project.
6 beautiful songs. Amazing songs.
All right.
Man.
But how long did it take you to record the whole project?
I don't know, man. I think I started in like November.
Okay.
I started in November 2024. So I don't know, but I think I finished everything by like January. Yes, I think I finished everything.
Everything in January.
Yeah.
But how is Camidoh's recording or creative process like when making music?
it's so like it's normal. Like I always just feel free. It's just like cool vibes. Like really and truly, there's no formula to it. I make music every day, anytime, anywhere, like any mood, whatever it is. Like that is like my one-stop place. It's like there's really no formula.
Okay.
Okay.
I know you have song with Stone Boy.
Yeah, it's also on. We got one.
Okay.
That was on my LP.
Okay.
Lighter, and then we have another one on this one.
Okay.
Yeah, Trusting God. Yeah.
So, how's your relationship with Stonebwoy, and how did you link up on this song?
I mean, he's like a big brother, you know. He's like a big brother, and we all kind of like grew up learning from our predecessors, if that makes sense, like our senior men and women. So it's like I've always seen him as that, and that's just what it has been. Yeah, yeah. And linking up with him was like as usual, like reaching out through Snapchat or maybe maybe a phone call and saying this is what I want to do, you know, and him just saying pull over, like pull up to the crib, and then boom, we just like make the record.
So in all, how long did it take you to record that song?
Oh, this song I had done at my camp, you know, in the beginning of like, I think this song is like 2 years old.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, this song is probably like 2 years old right now. I made it in my house, then took it to the camp, then we did the touch-ups, and then I took it to Stonebwoy's house.
All right.
And then we did like his verse. So yeah.
Let's talk about my personal song with the project Ghost. Can you share with us the concept behind that song?
Your Ghost was really inspired by my childhood friend. You know, we grew up together in Ola Girls campus, and I lost him to a tragic accident. Okay. So it's like, fast forward, I just decided to like make a record because I was really inspired. Like it's almost like I heard him talking to me and, you know, telling me to just put it all into the music. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And it's really just dedicated to like people who have lost their loved ones on the other side. And sometimes you wake up and talk to them, you know? Yeah. It's like, you just talk to that person, like, just wish they were listening.
Yeah, so Camidoh, you have to give us a little bit freestyle of that song. I love it. It's my personal favorite.
Of your Ghost?
Yes, for Ghost.
Okay. If I'm talking to your ghost, let me know you hear me. Are you there, my friend? At least I'm not alone. If I'm talking to your ghost, let me know you hear me. Are you there, my friend? At least I'm not alone. Yeah, that's a really like beautiful song.
Yeah, for real.
Very beautiful song. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want you guys to like go check it out.
Okay. So what is your favorite song on the project?
This is crazy, man. Like I love all the records, bro. Like I really love all the records. And the good thing is that they're all not talking about the same thing. You know, and all of these things like affected me, or like I dealt with all of these things some way, somehow. So it's like all of them is like a part of me. Do you understand? All the songs are a part of me. There's really no way I could be choosing one. You know, I could be choosing one over the other one. I actually love like just singing all of these songs, and I'm really proud and grateful I was able to make them.
Okay, so Camidoh, you are one of the artists Sarkodie speak highly of. Sarkodie went to Nigeria to grant an interview, and they asked him which are some of the artists we should look out for, and he mentioned your name. He has been on several platforms, and he mentioned your name. Sorry, how does it make you feel like Sarkodie is the most decorated rapper we have in Africa?
Big respect to him, man. Big respect to him. Like, bro, like it really takes some, you know, energy, some type of like sweet and, you know, lovely energy to even want to shine light on somebody. Do you get?
Yeah, for real.
So if someone is doing that, honestly, like there's no other way but to like be grateful.
Yeah, for real.
And you know, pray for like more life for them. Yeah. You know, yeah, that's how it feels. It feels really like a blessing.
Yeah. Okay. I know the time Sugarcane came out, you had the opportunity to perform at Glitch Africa.
Yeah.
And with that live performance, a lot of people were talking about it, that you killed it.
Yeah.
When it comes to live performance, what makes your style different?
Man, like, I just give me, bro. Like, I really don't like to, like, follow anyone's rules when I'm making music and when I'm singing. Yeah. I just like to do me, you know? It's all about what is in you. So it's like I always just like to bring what is in me on that stage. Like, I don't want to do it like nobody, bro. Yeah, I don't like to do it like nobody. I just do my thing, and, you know, some way, somehow it becomes, like, the people's favorite, which is beautiful. Because you don't have to overthink it.
Okay, you just go with the flow.
Yeah.
All right, nice one. And one thing I would love to ask is, the time Sugarcane came out, you were one of the biggest artist. You are still one of the biggest artists we have in the country, and you had the opportunity to perform at Mobile Awards. How was the feeling like?
Oh, Mobile, man. Mobile was beautiful. Like, it was a whole experience. Like, special shout outs to the Mobile's team and Eddie Cardi, you know, and Kim Promise, because we did the performance together. It was really beautiful. Like, the whole journey. I mean, it was going to the Mobiles that I decided to sit in the barbershop and cut my hair, you know, because like I had dreads before, and that was the day I cut my hair. I was like, I'm gonna just like start afresh.
Yeah, for real.
You know, so basically it was through the Mobiles, and I really enjoyed it, bro. I really enjoyed it. Sheffield was so much fun. Like, I can't even lie.
You know one funny thing?
Had a good time.
I was talking to people,
Yeah.
and with that green hair with the dread, and people were saying like, Olive the boy. I said, no, man. Camidoh is the real person who started that thing. Go and check it out. Check it on record. And these people were saying, I said, no, go and check it.
Yeah, man. But yeah, man, like, bro, like, we keep growing, bro. We keep growing and, like, you know, finding new lights, you know? So that's, like, it's actually beautiful that I see him doing it, you know? Because if he's feeling it, then why not?
Yeah,
you know,
if
you love something, you have to just do it, bro. Like, don't think that this one brought it and then I'm, like, taking it. Like, nothing is really, like, original, you know?
But do you think he has been on other platforms to say that, okay, I was inspired by Camidoh to do this stuff?
I haven't had that, and it's not really necessary, bro. Like, it's really not necessary, bro. Like, he's a young, you know, energetic kid doing his thing. Like, it's really and truly not necessary for him to, like, necessarily give me credits to that. Bro, just do your thing and, like, have a good time.
So in the near future, should we expect any collaboration with Olive the Boy and Camidoh?
Yeah, man. Like, everything is possible. Like, everyone in this game, bro. Like, everyone. If I have my way, I'll make a record with everyone. You know, I actually love collaborating with, like, sweet-spirited people. Like, when you're sweet-spirited, yeah, you got me, man. Yeah, but near future, bro. Like, tomorrow, today, I'm ready, bro. Yeah.
And you are one of the few artists who have had the opportunity to be at BET. Can you share with us your experience going for BET?
The BET Awards was, like, beautiful. I loved it, man. And the thing is, like, it gives you a whole new perspective about show business, you know? It's like people are doing it on a whole different level, and, you know, you just go there and, like, be inspired and be like, put more money, you know? Put more money, put more investment, like invest in yourself to just, like, get out there and represent the country. Because, like, it feels really good, like, being on the red carpet and answering these questions. Same as what you guys do. You know what I'm saying? It's, like, nothing different. But it's, like, it's just on that level. So it's, like, bro, our people got it. You know? And all we need is to, like, all of the artists, like, I wish for many of our artists to get the nominations and go experience that. It changes your perspective about music. It changes your perspective about, like, being a star, you know, because it's really and truly just being, like, a light for people. So that's just what I love about it. And I love LA, man. London used to be, like, one of my favorite places to be. It's like, right now, it's just LA, and it's just, like, teaching me a whole lot, man. Wishing the same for, like, all my brothers and sisters.
But were you able to link up with other artists?
Definitely, man. Definitely. I definitely connected with, like, a bunch of people, like, producers, studio. Like, I had a good time, bro. Like, trust me. I had a good time.
I know you have a song with Real Madrid superstar sister, Alaba. You have a song with her. How did you link up?
Man, like, she's a star on her own. You don't need to connect it to, like, she's called Rose May Alaba. Like, big respect to Rose May. Like, she reached out, I think, through my good friend Sabok at YFM. He, like, connected us, and then it was a beautiful link. She came to Ghana. You know, we did the remix to her song. And it was such a beautiful song. I actually love that song. I was doing a bunch of content to that song. Like, it almost felt like, but it was a beautiful connection, and we do talk once in a while. Like, man. That's what I like to do, bro. Like, I like to make music with beautiful people, bro. That's
for
me.
real. So in other ways, that's other way of you promoting African music to the world.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But there was this rumor circulating that you were supposed to do a song with Vybz Kartel.
I did it, man. Like, we did that song, bro. We had a song with Vybz Kartel, but, like, you know, at some point we had some little, like, misunderstanding between, like, me and some of the people that were on the record, and my team, not me per se, like, my team and some of the people. And so it's like, bro, the record had to be taken down.
Oh my,
yeah,
oh,
the record
bro.
was taken down. That was a beautiful record, bro.
Wow, wow,
And I
wow.
know that, like, with all due respect, like at the right time, like, you know, at the right time, like someone's like, why you have a song Vybz Kartel and like you guys took it down? I'm like, bro, like the system is a system. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Like the system is a system. It don't matter. Like we just have to like get it right.
Yeah.
And once we get it right, everyone is happy.
Yeah.
It gives the record a good vibe.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I believe strongly like all of these things like they are within our reach. So we're gonna get it done over and over and over again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I recently watched it and I found out that one of these artists, man, is it Rihanna? She sold out like the O2 like 10 times in a row, and that was like, bro, amazing thing. You know what I'm saying? Like really amazing. So it's like, bro, there's so much to do.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, there's so much to do, and I have this song with Afia as well.
Yeah.
Crazy, bro.
Okay.
Amazing record. So I'm just like gearing up, preparing myself for like the world stage, and I know for sure like I can't wait to see like a bunch of Ghanaian artists doing
because
it.
I think
shout outs to Amare,
the
man.
time you dropped,
killing it. Do you know Amare?
I know Amare, bro. Amare is Ghanaian.
That's good.
Okay, so we
That's
like,
good.
Okay, fingers crossed. You know the time you dropped Sugar Cane, I used to watch a lot of like Big Brother, and anytime they play the song, they would play Sugar Cane.
Yeah.
Like Sugar Cane was very big.
Yeah.
Do you feel like it kind of put pressure to you to get monster hits?
Everybody's
like
just asking me this question. It's like, it's not really that deep, bro. Like, it's not that deep, to be honest. Like, it's really not that deep, bro. Like,
at times,
like, come on, man.
Camidoh, at times we want to understand from artist point of view because we are the fan base and like that's the song that everybody's jamming to, and people feel like the artist is supposed to drop a song that is going to match that.
It's always like that because that's like the game. But it's like you as a person, you as the creative, you really don't have to feel that heat. Like me, to be honest, like the pressure I always give to myself is like marketing, bro.
Okay.
I don't really like, bro, the music I have is like so amazing, you know, and I listen to my own, I'm a big fan of my own music, and I listen to my own music and drive around and I'm happy, you know, I feel really blessed, like making music like that.
Yeah.
There's no point in like me being ungrateful and feeling like, I need to get it this way again, and I need to get, that time when I made Sugar Cane, I was literally just having fun.
Okay.
You know, it was like a dark time for me, but when I made the record, it's like, music is what I love. So when I make music, I always feel, you know, like I'm on top of the world. So that's just how I was feeling. And then the universe did its thing. So really and truly, I don't think there's any formula to this thing. And I don't want people to feel like there is pressure to like make Sugar Cane. You know, I would have been like, I would have turned the dancer already, trying to like force it all. But bro, like, no one got time for that. Like,
so, Camidoh, this is a personal question.
Talk to me, man.
So it means when it comes to hit song, there's no template.
Really and truly, man, there's no template, bro. Like, there's no template to like making a hit song, bro. Just be yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be yourself. Like, these days, marketing influences a lot, but trust me, just be yourself. As a creative, like, you shouldn't really mix that one. Excuse me. You shouldn't really mix it. Like, don't try to like, you know, while making the record, you want to like, it's like making a baby and it's like, you think the way you have the sex is what is going to create the head of the baby. You know why? You know why? Like, that's not what's going to do anything, bro. Like, just make your music the way that you love to make it, and trust me, man. It's just like, God is everything, you know what I'm saying? Like, trust God to like change everything.
Camidoh, I want us to talk about Nothing Lasts Forever.
Respect.
Another big tune. You dropped the single and it was doing really, really well. And later on, you did a remix. You had your brothers on it. You had Bishop, KOTM, Medical, Kim Paluta, and Co. It was Galaxy of Stars on that record. What made you decide to do the remix? Because I feel like the song was doing pretty good on its own. What made you decide to do the remix?
What made me want to do the remix, bro? Like I think I did an open verse. You know, I did an open verse. So at that time, I tell you what, let me be honest, man. At that time, this is what happened. Like, I think that I was meant to like release a bunch of records, and then I didn't get to like release them. So I just had like Nothing Lasts Forever alone in the system, and I just felt like, bro, all of these records need to come out. But at that time, there was like something going on that made me not to like, you know, put out the music. So it's like, I said, okay, cool. Then I was doing an open verse because I just like released the beat for like guys to feel free and just like do their thing. I was not gonna do a remix. And then I was just laying down there and thinking about it. I'm like, actually, we can actually put all of these together and just do a remix. you know. And me, the way I love to make music, if I'm not feeling it, I'm not putting it out.
Okay.
So it's like I did a bunch of like the arrangements and mixing and, you know, getting my my mix engineers, like just literally creative directing that that whole thing, and it sounded good. And I just like decided to put it out. I made the video, directed the video. Like, bro, it's just having a good time with yourself is the best thing, you know, kind of like, it's not really a big deal.
Okay.
You know, like, just have to be yourself.
Yeah.
You know?
And you have one of the songs that people really love, the one with DJ Vybz and Kitty.
Yeah.
Like, the ladies love that song.
Oh my God.
How did you link up with your brothers?
I don't know what kind of spirits, like, DJ Vybz put in a song, man. Bro, like, if you go on every stage, like, these young kids, man, they take that song away from you. Like, it's crazy.
Okay.
They sing it like, I'm like, how did you guys get to do this song like this? Such a beautiful record. I mean, I just, like, linked up with Vybz and Kitty in their studio. And we made the record, and I came back home and re-recorded my verse and sent it back.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, there was meant to be like an acoustic version of that one.
Wow.
But we
So
never
what happened?
I don't know, man. We never really got to put it out. But yeah, shout out to Vybz, man.
Okay.
Yeah, shout out to Vybz.
Okay.
We should do another
that's
one.
really dope. And I know before your EP, Trust in God, you dropped another EP. And what was the title of that?
A Lifetime Is Not Enough.
Okay. So can you share a little bit about that project?
Man, it was just like a beautiful, like me. I love making music, you know what I'm saying? Like, and when the music sounds very meaningful, I want to put it out.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a song I had called Ajaki that the song never really got like attention of the people.
Okay.
I don't know how. For some reason, it never really got the attention of the people. But that song is so beautiful.
Cool. Okay.
And I sang like 70% of the song in Chi.
Wow.
Yeah, I sang like 70% of the song in Chi and Ga and Charlie. I'm like, this record is really beautiful. I was playing it today and I was like, you know. But yeah, Lifetime is Not Enough was beautiful album, EP, had a good time with it. That's what had Adole.
Okay, Adole was a big song.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's very
cool. But like I can see your tattoo, Grind Don't Stop. It seems like it's more of like, I don't know if it's an anthem or something. Is it a movement or something?
It's my culture, man. It's just me. That's me.
Okay.
Grind Don't Stop, you know? It's no point, bro. We gotta keep going.
Yeah, for real.
We gotta keep going, bro. There's so much more ahead of us, so yeah.
That means probably next year we are getting the body of work, the album.
Hopefully, man. Hopefully, pray for me, man. Hopefully next year I get to give you guys the album. Yeah.
Okay. So right now, Trust in God is out. What is the plan for that project? What should we expect?
The video for Your Ghost is coming out tonight.
Wow, the ghost.
Yeah.
Camidoh, you did not try. At least we could have made it exclusive on this show.
Sorry. For Semi Alawa. I mean, yeah. I'll get it to you guys. But yeah, Your Ghost was, we made a beautiful film, you know, and I hope people get inspired by it and just like have a good time. Your Ghost is coming, and you know, I had the live version of Aiko and Your Ghost, and I had the whole like, salon listening experience of the EP. It's on YouTube, man.
Okay, I've seen it.
Yeah, man. I just did that with my friend, Hair Masters. It's amazing.
All right.
Amazing. I just want you guys to go out there and like check out Trusting God. It's really and truly just like a reflective body, you know? So it just helps you to like go deep into like be introspective and just find out, you know, maybe I need to do it this way, or maybe I've been trying to do it all by myself, or maybe I just need to like submit to God and be inspired, man. Trust me, it will change your life.
Okay. Nice having you, my brother. So Trusting God is out on all streaming platforms. You can check it out and add to your playlist. But my favorite song is Ghost. Guys, I go by the name Mac Moulton. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, #MSLive. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.